Hello, this is Rahul. In today's lecture, I'm going to explain multi-protocol label switching. What are the key features of these protocols? What are advantages? First, we see what are the main applications. Why do we need this MPLS protocols? The key feature of this protocol is to it only it's help us to skip the IP lookup at the forwarding tables. Suppose there is a router. If a router received any packets to and want to forward, then router need not to look at the forwarding table, its forwarding table. Why it is so, we'll see later. Then how router will decide to forward to next device, we'll see later. But if the if a routers is the work on the burden on routers we have removed, then it will help us to improve the throughput. What it means throughput means the speed of internet connectivities will get better than the if routers will look at the forwarding tables. Second thing is the path of the packets already being decided manually, right? This is the very big disadvantage of this MPLS protocol. So one more things, if you want to design a very big network WAN, wide area network, then you will use you will use MPLS protocol, right? So this MPLS protocols falls between network layer and data link layers. That is why we called as 2.5 layer this is coming. Why? Because the layer number of network layer is 3, layer number of data link layer is 2. So that is the reason this MPLS is coming between these two ones. So that's why we have this comes at layer 2.5. How does it work? Suppose we have a network. This networks follow the proper protocols of MPLS, right? How actually this protocol works? Suppose we have this initial vectors, and sorry, this is not a vector. This is a packet we have. This packet has first two field. First field is coming from data link layer, another field coming from network layer, right? This you can see here we have three fields. What are the third field? Header from MPLS protocols, right? Once this packet reach to the first router of the networks, which is ingress routers, this ingress router will add the MPLS header. This middle one is the MPLS header at time T0. The router which aids the MPLS header we call as a ingress routers. You remember this name, ingress router. Then these routers only fix some labels or some routes on this header of MPLS. So in these are the intermediate routers through this packets traverse to reach the destinations, and from this outer routers, this is egress routers. This routers will remove the remove the MPLS headers and send back the original one what we got this router what we got this networks the at the previous earlier one. So same packet will get out from this networks, right? The router which removes the MPLS header we call egress routers. What these intermediate routers, what these routers they do, simply swap the labels. Suppose if the labels corresponding to this router is T1, then sorry L1, then this router will swap this label with the new ones corresponding to these routers. So these routers will change the labels to change with new ones. Then at time T2, when it reach to this route at this router will do the same thing as this router has done. with with the packets. At time T3 packet will reach at this router. At time T4, then packet reach to the egress router. From egress routers, the MPLS headers will be removed. Then the packets will go out from the networks which follows the MPLS protocol. That is what I have written. You can read yourself. You can pause the video and read it. Thank you.